How to search for ringtones and notification sounds on Zedge. First of all, open the Zedge app and tap on the Ringtones tab at the bottom of the screen. You will see popular ringtones and notification sounds featured on the home page. To find something specific, use the search bar at the top and type keywords like pop ringtone, alarm sound, or notification tone based on what you want. You can also browse through categories by tapping on categories to explore options like comedy, hip-hop, rock, sound effects, and more. When you find a ringtone or notification sound you like, tap on it to preview. Now tap the download button inside the purple circle. From there, you will see options to set the sound as a ringtone, notification, alarm sound, contact ringtone, or save it to your media folder. You can choose any option you prefer. Now you know how to search for ringtones and notification sounds on Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.